The sun dash in the east. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rose. I dash breakfast before coming here. A. Had. B. Have. C. Has. Which sentence is correct? A. He don't like pizza. B. He doesn't like pizza. C. He doesn't likes pizza. She dash very tired after the match. A. Feel. B. Feels. C. Felt. The room was cleaned. Dash the maid. A. By. B. From. C. To. He is interested. Dash learning French. A. At. B. In. C. For. My father dashed to work every day. A. Drives. B. Drive. C. Driving. Beat around the bush means, A. Avoid the main topic. B. Speak honestly. C. Hit a tree. Dash you like some juice? A. Will. B. Would. C. Are. Neither the teacher nor the students dash happy. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. This is the girl dash won the medal. A. Whom. B. Whose. C. Who. The books dash on the table. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. The child was afraid dash the duck. A. Of. B. For. C. With. The opposite of strong is, A. Weak. B. Tall. C. Fast. What is the plural of knife? A. Knifes. B. Knives. C. Knife. I dash seen that film. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. he is the dash student in the class. A, most intelligent. B, more intelligent. C, intelligently. We are planning dash a picnic. A, have. B, to have. C, having. I dash her since Monday. A, saw. B, have seen. C, haven't seen. Let's wait dash the rain stops. A, until. B, since. C, for. Dash umbrella is this. A, whose. B, who. C, which. She wants dash a doctor. A, become. B, becoming. C, to become. The synonym of happy is A, angry. B, joyful. C, sad. He was punished dash being late. A, for. B, to. C, by. If it rains, we dash go outside. A, won't. B, wouldn't. C, doesn't. We dash dinner when the lights went out. A, were having. B, are having. C, had. She speaks English very dash. A, good. B, well. C, best. Which one is an adjective? A, slowly. B, beautiful. C, speak. That chair is made dash wood. A, from. B, of. C, by. I'm not used to dash up early. A, get. B, got. C, getting. He said he dash busy. A, was. B, is. C, were. Under the weather means A, sick. B, outside. C, happy. They insisted that we dash the form. A. Fill. B. Fill. C. Filling. We arrived the airport late. A. At B. On C. Ing. She is better dancing than singing. A. For B. At C. With. Let the cat out of the bag means A. Open a gift. B. Reveal a secret. C. Let someone go. The weather was cold to go out. A. To B. Very. C. So. I haven't met of them before. A. Any. B. Some. C. Few. He has completed the task. A. Already. B. Yet. C. Still. Choose the correct sentence. A. She can sings. B. She can sing. C. She singing. Which is the past tense of run? A. Running. B. Runs. C. Ran. The train arrived time. A. On. B. At. C. Ing. What is the antonym of fast? A. Quick. B. Rapid. C. Slow. You leave early if you want. A. Should. B. Mustn't. C. Shall. The students writing an essay. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. The letter yesterday. A. Send. B. Was sent. C. Is sent. I wish I how to swim. A. No. B. Knew. C. Known. The synonym of clever is A. Smart. B. Foolish. C. Weak. The books belong dash me. A, for B, with C, 2. I'm really looking forward to dash you soon. A, C, B, seeing C, saw.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.